know it's been forever, but I'm back now. If you've seen this video, I'm doing my best, you know what I'm saying? But life be lifing. I had to take a step back from YouTube, from content. But you feel me? I'm back. If you follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I left Cypress. I didn't get fired. I never got fired a day in my life. Yeah, nah, I never got fired a day in my life. And your boy hauling heavy. I just got empty, so I can't show y'all the load right now, but I can show y'all the trailer. You know what I'm saying? RGN. Flip the camera, you can see the flags on there. That's what I use, you know what I'm saying? This is not my assigned truck though. You know what I'm saying? I'm working on getting back to Chicago right now to get my truck back. My truck is red, this one white. Because I blew the transmission in that shit. So that been in the shop for like 3 weeks. And I want it back because I can't do pull-ups in this truck. Long story. And that truck go faster. So, snowstorm coming. Y'all boys stay safe. Stay cool, calm, collected. You're gonna be cool all right in the day. I wanna prepare, check up on your folks, prepare for everything, keep family close, all that. I should be getting my truck tomorrow because he's gonna try to give me a load to Chicago tomorrow. But I should be getting my truck tomorrow, and then, you know what I'm saying, little tweaks here and there. Probably do some tweaks on my trailer. And then, yeah. Alright, so next day, January 23rd, you know what I'm saying? I didn't get a load to Chicago, but however, I did get a load to Kansas. And then from there, my dispatcher's telling me he'll be able to get me to my yard, or yeah, to the yard in Chicago, because he could take a cheaper rate, so I'll be able to get my truck. Yeah, I just got the address right now. Place called GRT Rubber. It looks easy as hell to get into. 3 hours away. It's going to Kansas, so I know the load's gonna be easy. I love driving through Kansas. Kansas is all flat, you know what I'm saying? So I plug in this GPS and I'm gone, you know what I'm saying? What is the load? I have no idea. It says a rubber belt and it's gonna weigh 26,000 pounds, but I don't know. We'll see when we get there. You know what I mean? Missouri right now. 16 degrees. I don't know if I can see that. Just need to focus up. If you can't see it, say 16 degrees. Winter storm. They say it's coming by 9 o'clock. I don't know. I'm gonna be still over here. I'm gonna be sleeping. I don't gotta deliver this load till Monday. I asked my dispatcher if the customer would take it earlier. I doubt it. But I'll be there Monday. You know what I mean? I'm gonna go outside, check my chain, make sure my shit ain't loose, cause I was bending them corners. I ain't gonna lie. I was kind of bending them corners a little bit. But yeah, that's it for the day. Alright, it's the next day. I don't think the area that I'm in right now, and the area that I'm going to is gonna be the worst in the storm. It's actually probably gonna be like the lightest in the storm. I'm gonna drive. I'm only like 5 hours away from my destination. It should start getting too icy. I'll pull it over. I ain't gonna keep getting. Actually made me lose traction for a bit. I'm not gonna lie to you, gang. Shit got real when I hit my damn destination. I already found a spot. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just about to park closest to the store because I don't like parking mad far from the fucking store, especially in this type of weather. Hell no. Yeah, so I'm literally about to make a spot right here. destination now. Shit. How cold is it right now? I think it's what, 9 degrees where I'm at? 6 degrees where I'm at, bro. It's about to be like 0 later tonight. Shit. And I gotta go pee. I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to go out there. Alright, so it's January 25th. 12:34, you know what I'm saying? I'm not going nowhere today. I'm not planning to. If I was to go somewhere, probably it'd be a Walmart, but I don't need to exactly because I stocked up on food. But I do need to treat my truck. So I'm about to put air brake conditioner into it so my airlines won't freeze. It's like 12 degrees outside right now. And I got 2 sets of airlines, so now I gotta put it on trailer one. Tomorrow, before I leave, I gotta put in some more anti-gel. I'm gonna check my load, but I'll see y'all tomorrow. Degrees outside right now. What the fuck? I'm not used to this shit at all. I was just in the tank top last week. My hands burning. I'm outside of this. But like 10 minutes away from the damn customer, so I'm about to just flip over there. Get to the next load to Chicago. Hopefully to Chicago. But yeah, back in my truck back. If not, oh look. We'll see what happens.
Now it's me, you say you really need me. But girl, you've been acting so cruel. I don't even know.
Rico got that fire, got that fire.